Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. A big thank you to all of you who like and subscribe. It means so much to me. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a simple toggle button in Figma. Let's get started by drawing a circle and setting its size to 24 pixels. We'll change its color to white. Next, place the circle in an auto layout by right-clicking and selecting auto layout. Add a fill to the auto layout and change its color to orange. That looks great. Now, adjust the padding. Set both the top and side padding to 4 pixels. Change the sizing from hog content to fixed width. Set the width to 64 pixels. Add rounded corners and apply a stroke. For the stroke, use the lightest shade of orange for contrast. Convert the button into a component and add a variant. Adjust the alignment of the second variant to the right. Change the fill color of the second variant to black and the stroke color to any light gray. Now, click on the first button, go to the property name and set it to state. Name the state on. Click on the second button and name its state off. Switch to the prototype tab and connect the two buttons. Link the first button to the second button and set the animation to Smart Animate. Repeat the process to link the second button back to the first. Next, draw a frame and drag an instance of the button into it. Center the button within the frame. Preview the design to see it in action. It's functional, but it appears small. Let's adjust it to fill the screen. And there you have it, a simple toggle button in Figma. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.